So I've decided to test out some new kit that I've bought. Not new in the grand scheme of things, new to me, which is the DJI Air2s drone, and also GoPro Hero 10 Black with the medium mod. So some new kit that I've bought. I just want to test it, so I thought I needed an appropriate place to test it. So the Valley of the Rocks. So the thing about the Hero 10 Black is it's about the image quality and the hyper smooth. I mean, like, this is handheld and I'm walking up a big rocky hill. There's no gimbal, this is just handheld. It's incredible. The image quality is stunning. What I'm using it for is I want to get on my kayaking adventures, do some wild camping, and it's about getting that footage. All right, it's not going to be super beautiful cinematic, but it's going to be lovely footage. And that's why I've got it. It's just, I mean, GoPros have historically been absolute dog dirt. They really have. But this is very different. So I'm going to try and get up to that rock there and sort of see if I can get on top of it and then send the drone from there. There's nobody else on this rock. Well, none that I've come across so far. So I'm not going to be upsetting anyone. The light's just going to be perfect. So I've come a bit ill prepared for this, really. I didn't bring a rucksack, a bit bright there. I didn't bring a rucksack with me, so I'm carrying my Jetboil system in a sleeping bag holder so that I can have a brew. I'm hoping to have a beautiful sunset brew on top of that rock there. I live for these days, I really do. I just need this sometimes, just to switch off. I mean, seriously, look at it. Stunning. Climbing up with no hands, that's a good idea. I don't think I'm going to get to the top. Bearing in mind, I'm hoping to stay there till the sun goes down. It's a bit sketch. Right, I've cocked up a little bit. I'm never going to get to the top of those. I probably could if I wasn't carrying like drone and sort of sleeping bag. So I'm not going to get that shot. Light's starting to get to the perfect stages now, so I'm going to go across to another lump that I reckon I will be able to get on top and get that perfect Instagram photo. To crack on up this rocky stuff, get up there. The sun waits for no man. The gorse bushes, these bring back so many bad memories from when I was in the Royal Marines. Many good memories, of course, but the gorse, not one of them. Being fitter, one of them. Oh, simply lovely. Damn it. So it's always a little bit nerve-wracking flying your drone for the first time. You don't know how it's going to behave, so I was a bit nervous, especially because I'm on this. which is like landing it. If I get it wrong, it's bye-bye, lots of money. But my God, it just flies so well, and I'm just, the picture quality looks fantastic. So we'll just have to wait and see, but though I haven't got the settings dialed in correctly anyway, so whatever I see now isn't going to be it to its best, basically. Anyway, time for a brew. Basically the light's gone now. It's the sun's disappeared more or less. It's nearly 10 o'clock, sort of early July. So this is really low light now. So the media mod, which I've got on the GoPro, has a light. So I want to just test how good the light is, because GoPros historically, and this one included, I'm going to guess, are not the best in low light because of the size of the sensor. So I'm going to see how good this light is in terms of being able to see where I'm going, but also how it lights up me, aka the subject. I think it's pretty good. Early indications that it's pretty good. I mean, literally the moon's out now. Obviously when I get it back on the computer, I'll be able to see what noise we've got, how much sort of digital noise, which perhaps I can't see on the screen. Anyway, it's been a pleasure. I didn't want to get back down, but thanks for watching.